Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to choose Bluetooth and device connection and tap on the switcher next to Bluetooth. Then click on the feature itself and tap on Pair New Device. Wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to pair with. Now we will need to wait for the pop-up to show up and select Pair over here. Wait for this device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can do that by clicking on the square icon next to the device and choosing Forget. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!